we're going to look at some more DIY crafts for jewelry, homemade, handmade jewelry from videos I found on YouTube. So there are a lot of great YouTube channels out there where they show you how to create your own DIY jewelry. So you don't have to go out and spend a lot of money on things. And a lot of it's recycle, reuse, and repurpose, things you already have. So I know that this is the season for a lot of parties, a lot of events, and I'm just going to open up this drawer. I showed you how I created this drawer. What I like about these drawers out of boxes is that you can really stack a lot of things into it. But I'm not going to go over the things we already looked at yesterday. So let me take off some. I like to package it in tissue paper so it stays nice and fresh. If you are crafting with denim, sometimes it may wrinkle a bit. You can always go ahead and steam it out. So let me just dig in here and show you something. Okay, I'm going to go with this first, and then I'll show you some other things. So I'm going to go with some more denim. This is a cute little necklace with a satin ribbon that's completely adjustable. You determine how low or how high it is, and you put a little antique button in the center. So I'll show you how it's attached. It's such a simple craft. What you can do is you can look up denim crafts online, or you can just simply create. I did this with an index card, so I had the right shape. And you just draw out the shape that you want for your necklace. And then you can just do it. You just make two of these like this. And then you just put a button, sew a button in the middle. And this is a cute little vintage antique button. So I'm going to show you soon how you can just hold onto your button so you don't lose it. But let me just put this down here and show you how you can keep your little buttons. So you can just get a little container like this and keep all of your little buttons inside. And when you're about to throw something out, or if you're about to get rid of something, just put your buttons inside of a container so you can always know where to find it. And I'm going to show you some more of these types of necklaces out of buttons. So keeping with that, let me show you another one similar. This one I love. I created it once I had the same index card shaped shape that I was going to create the button, create these. What I did was with this one, I layered it. I put a layer of denim, put an index card in between to make it stiff, and then put another piece of denim on the other side. And then I made a little rosette, just like I showed you in previous videos how you can make these roses out of tissue paper. You can make it out of fabric. And then I hung satin ribbon. And the back part to adjust it is, this is a stainless steel necklace. I got a whole spool of stainless steel chain from Amazon. I think it was less than $15. And all I did was put a clasp on it, and then it's adjustable. So I doubled it and adjusted it. So I hope you guys are going to be able to see this. Let me make sure you guys, this is being picked up on the camera for you folks. Okay, great. So you can completely adjust this necklace, and you see how I put a jump ring. So if you wanted to, you can remove the jump ring and put a different string, ribbon, or chain on this. And it's just a cute little necklace. So once you have this shape out of the index card, you can just keep making more and more of these in different fabrics. I have it in another fabric that I would like you guys to take a look at. So this is an easy, simple necklace to create. It would make a great gift idea. Okay. And you could also just take this middle part. I'll show you how I sewed it together like this. You could take the middle off at some point and use it for something else. So let me show you another one. Oh, this one's cool. Okay, so this is the same shape, but only this time, this is the back. Okay, so this is your back part of it, and it ties in the front. So you would tie it like this. Let me lay it this way for you folks. And you tie it and it makes that cute little necklace design. And so once I tie it like this, you'll see how it looks with this back. So you have a completely adjustable clasp, and you can adjust how long you want it to be. And the reverse is not the corduroy, but this part is the corduroy. And then you see how this looks. So this is your front. The clasp is in the back, and you see how the ribbon. So the ribbon, you can either tie it tighter or looser, depending on how you want it to fall on your neck. And what I love about these crafts is that you fit the person. So it depends on your size. You fit the person. You don't have to make it big or small. You customize it. It's completely what flatters you. So this is that necklace. So I made a lot of these with different fabrics, different colors, and I'll show you another necklace. Again, all of these DIY crafts, if you search YouTube under DIY necklaces, DIY crafts, you'll find a lot of these pieces. Okay, let's see another one. Oh, I think what I'll do is I'll go to another collar. This was a man's shirt, and this was actually the collar of the man's shirt. So let me show you the reverse. And what I wanted to do is take it, because it was so big, I needed to make it smaller to fit my neck. So I wanted to show you what I did. I took 2 buttons, and these are, again, vintage buttons, and put that stainless steel necklace in between. Okay, and then the back, I took the stainless steel and made a clasp. So let me show you how this goes on the neck. And you can then, if this isn't the right size for the neck, you could put a ribbon, or you could put a different chain, a longer chain. But this will give that great look of a collar on a neck. So I think this is such an easy way to recycle, reuse, and repurpose an old shirt. And this is how it would stand up. I hope I'm getting this on camera. Let me just make sure. Oh, great. Okay. So that's how it looks. Isn't that fun? Okay. Let's see if there's something else with a similar shape. Oh, this is a simple, let me go with this one instead. This is a simple recycle, reuse, repurpose of a t-shirt. So with these t-shirts, instead of throwing out your old t-shirts when they're faded, all you're going to do is cut them into strips, pull them to stretch them, and then just tie them to make a necklace. And you can search on YouTube under t-shirt necklaces. So I showed you the other day the fringe one, and I'll show you that one again in a moment. And then this is another idea. So you go with a fringe, or you can go with this multi-layered look. So can you imagine all of your little t-shirts that you would normally want to just throw out, creating something out of it? And the best part about these cute little recycle, reuse, repurpose pieces of jewelry is that if someone doesn't have time to create it, you can actually create it for them and give it as a gift. This would be a nice set. So if you're going on like a little summer trip and you just pack a lot of t-shirts, jeans, maybe cute little dresses, and you need some jewelry, this is it. And I did this in another color, like a really pretty blue color. And I may not be able to show you that today, but I will eventually show you that. So again, these are such simple crafts, inexpensive. So the last one I'm going to show you today, I'm keeping the video short today because I have other videos I would like to upload. And of course, I'm going to upload and update you guys with the gang stalking situation. And I'm going to address people trying to, steal, lie, and cheat. But again, that's going to be something for another video. I like when we do our fun little videos instead. Okay, let's see this one. Let me see if I can untangle this one. So this is an adjustable necklace out of a plain old dollar store black satin ribbon. And I want to see if I can get this for you folks. Okay, here it is. This is a bow that has a little fringe attached to it. And the necklace is adjustable. So how it adjusts is, let's see if I can get it done for you. You pull one part and then you adjust it like this. I hope I'm getting this on camera. So you can tighten it or loosen it. So it completely adjusts. So if you want, I like the look at this with a white shirt. Instead of having just a plain collar on the white shirt, you can adjust this so that this sits right at the top. Similar to what you would do with this. You would do it like this and put this underneath the collar like so. And then have this dangle down. So you have a collar. I hope I'm getting that on camera for you folks so that you see how it looks. So you can do this with a crisp shirt and use this as your decoration for the shirt. Okay, let me pull this up like that. Okay, here we are. So you see how that works. You know, the good thing about this type of jewelry is that you don't have, it doesn't have to always, you can play with it. It doesn't always have to come out the right way the first time. You can always play with it. So the last thing I want to do is, I have this here for you folks, another necklace. I have some headbands and I'll do that in another video. I think I may just do headbands in a video. This could be used as a headband also, but it could also just be used as a necklace, as a kind of a choker style necklace. These are the denim belt loops. And all you're doing is taking the denim belt loops and interlocking them along the with each other, and then putting, this came from a shopping bag. So when you get those cute little shopping bags from department stores, instead of just throwing them out when they rip, take off the little handles. And you also get these when you get other sort of gift bags. Take off the little handles and you can use them to create a necklace. So I love the color combination of this. Again, let me make sure I'm getting this on camera for you folks. Oh, good. So you have this great color that gets picked up with this denim, and you can make this as long or as short as you want. So again, this idea came from a YouTube search that came with denim necklaces. So when you're searching on YouTube, just search denim necklaces and you'll get a lot of these ideas. So let me just show you all of them together. This was a denim necklace. Here's another denim necklace that's similar to that one, but without the board to stiffen it. Then to pick up the satin theme, this is a satin necklace. This also has that satin with the corduroy. So this is similar. And then you have the man's shirt collar, which this one I really love. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe for more videos and like this video so that I know which ones I should create more of. Thanks for watching.